In this video, I'll show you how to compress a video file without losing any quality. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing by clicking the button below. And don't forget to leave a like if you find this guide helpful. I really appreciate your support and make sure to watch until the end as I walk you through the entire process. So let's get started. Here on my computer screen, as you can see an example of a video file I compressed and the dramatic difference in the file size. The original file was 519 megabytes, and after the compression, it ran down to 29.8 megabytes, and that was 20 times smaller than the original file size. To achieve this, I used a free tool called HandBrake, and I will show you exactly where to download it and how to use it to significantly reduce your video file size. First of all, open your browser and then head to a search engine like Google, and then you search for HandBrake 2, and then make sure it directs you to the official website, or you can click on the first link to direct you to the site. And then once you're on the website, click on the download HandBrake to download the latest version, or you can click on other platforms if you are using Linux or Mac OS, and it's about 20 megabytes. Once it's finished, you can install the software by following the installation instructions. It's a quick process, and once it's installed, you are ready to use HandBrake. Launch the software from the desktop or simply use the search icon in the taskbar to find HandBrake. This is the first interface you get to see. Next, you will need to choose a video file to compress. You can either select an entire folder of videos or you can select a single file. For this tutorial, I'll be using a single file on my desktop that I've named it pmp.mp4. So you just have to drag and drop the file in the HandBrake window. And as you can see, HandBrake will scan it and then we can begin adjusting the settings. You can start by choosing the presets, but 1080p at 30 fps is a good default, but feel free to adjust it based on your needs. After that, you head down to the format section. You can keep the format as MP4 or you can choose your preference, and then make sure to enable the web optimized to allow easier sharing online. After that, you head to the video section. You can choose the video encoder you prefer, and then for the frame rate, you just have to click on it and then search for same as source, and then you choose constant frame rate, and then this helps maintain consistency with your original file. Once your settings are in place, choose where you want to save the compressed file by heading to the right bottom corner of the window and choosing Browse. From there, you can select where you want to save your file. I will just save mine on my desktop and then rename it PMP compressed. After that, you just click Save. When you are done saving, you can begin the compression by clicking on the Start Encode at the top of the window. After clicking Start Encode to begin the compression process, you can track the progress with the percentage displayed at the bottom of the window. When the process is complete, it will say Queue finished. You can close the HandBrake software after the compression. Now, let's compare the original and compressed files. The original file was 1 minute 46 seconds long with a size of 154 megabytes. But after compression, the same video is still at 1 minute 46 seconds but only 7.89 megabytes, and that's a significant reduction in size. And that's the best part. The video quality remains excellent. Feel free to test it out for yourself. HandBrake is a powerful tool, and in my experience, it barely impacts quality at all. If you found this tutorial useful, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.